All right, guys, 374 premium foosball jersey 374. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and get our box number ready. 5 times for the 5 times. All right, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 1738. 1738. All right. 17 it is. All right, let's mix up the teams. All right, Jeffrey 2, J-Dub 2, Kenton 2, Justin 2, Chad 2, Caleb 6, 6, Kenton 1, Lucas 4, Brendan 4, Bo Jackson 2, Chad 2, Susan 1, and J-Dub with 1. All right, guys, here we go. 5 times for the 5 times. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, ocho, cinco. Kenton P's on top. Bo Jackson's on the bottom. All right, guys, group you guys together here. All right, so Bo Jackson, Rams, Redskins, Brendan, Lions, Packers, Saints, Seahawks, Caleb, Bills, Broncos, Jags, Jets, Chargers, Niners, Chad, Bengals, Titans, Falcons, Panthers, J-Dub, Browns, Cowboys, Dolphins, Jeffrey, Vikings, Patriots, Justin, Ravens, Bears, Kenton, Cardinals, Texans, Eagles, Lucas, Colts, Chiefs, Giants, Steelers, Susanna, Raiders, Buccaneers. All right, guys, any tradey poos? She said, "What's up? I'll take some beers." Oh, she said bears. Bucks for Bears. All right. Bucks for Bears. Confirm. Okay. All good. Like I said, I usually don't switch in the spreadsheet because until after I got it in the group in the chat. All right, here we go. 17 out of 50. Here we go. Kyler, I think he's in the next one. P-SPORTSCARDS24 every night at 9. Got yourself a free bag. Yep. All right, it is Patrick. I always say that. It's Philip Lindsay. Philip Lindsay, AF77354 for the Denver Broncos. Denver Broncos. Philip Lindsay, autographed jersey. Philip Lindsay, on field. Philip Lindsay, Nike jersey. For the Denver Broncos. Denver Broncos. Very nice. That is going to Lindsay, a.k.a. Caleb. Very cool, very cool. First break, and you got yourself a winner. Got yourself a Philip Lindsay. Cool, cool, cool. 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go, guys. 5 times for 5 times. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. And Lucas. Alright, Lucas, 374. Free spot into 142. Alright, 374. 374 premium football jersey. Alright, very cool. There you go. Nice Philip Lindsay going to Caleb. Playbook has 15 spots left, guys. 15 left. Alright, guys. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate it. Have a good one.